Hello and welcome. My name is Ryan DeMare with 360Works, and in this video I'm going to show you how to submit a sending limit increase to AWS so that you can send more emails on a daily basis and at a quicker rate. So we're going to go up here to the support menu. We're going to click on Support Center, and then we're going to click on Create Case. We want a service limit increase. We'll click that. Scroll down here. Now you're going to select a limit type. You click on the drop down. These are all the different types you can do, but we're just going to choose SES. Okay. And now we have a bunch of different little options that we need to answer. What type of mail you're going to send, marketing, other subscriptions, notifications, transactional, whatever is appropriate there. You can provide a website URL. It's an optional. It just kind of helps AWS kind of see the content that you're going to be sending out. The next thing is basically just a yes or no question. It's also optional if you are going to comply with AWS service limits and AUP. Yes or no. The next one is asking if users you're sending to has specifically requested to get emails from you. And then the last one is a way to handle bounces and complaints. Now, you can use Amazon Kinesis to kind of track bounces and complaints, but that's kind of outside of the scope of this video, so we won't really get into how you set that up. But there is documentation out there if you decide that is how you want to handle bounces and complaints. You will get emails for bounces when they happen, but not about complaints. Okay, so now we're going down to the request section. We're going to request in this region. The requests are region specific, so make sure you choose the appropriate one. We'll go with US East and Northern Virginia, and for this one we're going to do desired daily sending quota. Here, just whatever you think is going to be necessary for your needs, put in your new limit value. By default, I believe it's 200 emails a day. We'll just put something like 10,000 in here. And then we're going to click Add Another Request. And for this one, we're also going to keep the US East region. But this one we want to do desired maximum send rate. Here, again, this is just going to be whatever you meet your needs. We'll just put an arbitrary value in there for 5. But once you fill that in, you can scroll down here for your case description. Switch over to this other window just to kind of give you some guidelines as to what you should put in here. This is actually for the Amazon's documentation here. You basically, for case description, you just kind of want to answer what exactly your use case is, how you plan to build or acquire your mailing list, how you're going to handle bounces and complaints. Can recipients opt out? How did you choose your sending rate, sending quota, and any kind of additional information. This is just kind of basically saying this is why we need this increase. So you put that into your case description, and then down here, contact options, you choose a preferred language, and then how you want to be contacted via email and the support center is your only option here, and then you would just click submit. We don't need to submit this, so we're not going to send this to AWS, but you would just click submit. And then once you did that, you would just wait on them to contact you. They will send you an email, but you can also come back over to the main support center page. And right here where my support cases is where you would find everything that you needed. I've seen it take up to, or Amazon rather says that it takes about 1 business day. I've seen it happen a lot quicker. It may even take a little bit longer depending on your use case and on an individual basis. But again, once they verify it, it would show up here and as well as in an email. And that's all you need to do to increase your sending limit. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.